Well, coffee with Craig this morning. It is kind of a cold, rainy fall day. We got just a steady drizzle. It's Thanksgiving week. Um, got a new project we'll introduce, and a couple more projects on the Hill 67 that I can talk a little bit about. But anyway, welcome to Coffee with Craig on this cold, rainy morning. All right, what are we up to now? We'll see in just a minute. Oh no. So I picked up a spool and a 411 ring and pinion set from Russell Grimes, aka Hot Rod Garage Guy. Cool dude, check out his channel. I have this 9-inch housing. It was an open with, I don't know what gear ratio, but it was like a 2 something. It was tall. So we're going to put the ring and pinion spool in there. I got to buy a bearing kit for pinion bearings and for the carrier bearings. I'll put a new seal in it. Yeah, and we'll get this all set up. 411 spool, we'll clean that up, and then that's going to go in here. And so for No Name Nationals, when we go back, we're going to have spool. It's got a 325 limited slip in it right now. That is not a bad ratio, but we're gonna try and get a little more gear in her. I'm gonna replace these with some slicks, and we're gonna do some traction, some way to help the traction bars, traction, probably Caltrax, something like that.